bit about Maritime Pine Bark?
So Maritime Pine Bark, it's an amazing herb. In fact, if you look at the history of it, it was actually something that was discovered by sailors way back in the early 1900s to treat scurvy, because of the fact that it protected the body's stores of vitamin C, and it also protected through its high levels of antioxidants. It did protect general cells and blood vessels. So it was something that was easily stored and could be used for that purpose. So what we do, and there's been a lot more studies done on Maritime Pine Bark since then, is particularly in Australia actually it's been done, studies have been done with a particular kind of Maritime Pine Bark extract that improved circulation to the brain, and in patients who had dementia, improved their cognitive capacity by 20%. So the capacity for this herb to actually have protective mechanisms, it boosts the lower end of the immune system. By that I mean because it's restoring integrity to cells, it's protecting the vitamin C stores in your body. It acts as this super antioxidant, so therefore it's helping to mop up free radicals in your system. And this degree of capacity within the body to have this protection, it in effect is boosting the immune system, and it's anti-aging. And because of those factors, it can also then say it's anti-cancer, because anything that's protecting the cells from breaking down too quickly, then it's going to help preserve those healthy cells. So it's going to slow down those processes.
Okay, we've heard about the long-term effects of some of these viruses. So what's that called, Cath?
So that's called postviral syndrome, and that is again an area that boosting your immune system with herbs is a really great idea, because you can actually target directly the areas that might be affecting you personally, because at the end of the day, each person is such an individual that not everyone is being affected by these things in exactly the same way. So that's why you'll see in any kind of description about post-viral syndrome or any other kind of virus processes that's happening, your symptoms might be slightly different to the person who you also know has had it. So for example, heart and lungs is probably one of the key areas of weakness. So every formula that we would make up individually would have that kind of targeted herb in there. For example, elecampane and licorice would be two herbs that we might include in a formula like that. If we're looking at something that maybe you've got swollen glands, we might need to look at herbs that are directly supporting the lymphatic system and also endocrine tissue to reduce inflammation, or they're what's called drainage herbs. So they're utilised in those situations. And if you can support your energy, and again using something like hawthorn that directly supports the heart function, because heart and lungs are intrinsically linked, particularly in post-viral syndromes, you would want to be supporting those areas, including the adrenal as well. So the adrenals are really important to keep your energy up high. So they're all things that we might talk to you about in a consultation, which is where we encourage you to contact us directly. In the link below, you'll see there's a free consultation form, and you'll be speaking to either Kerry or myself or Fiona, all very experienced herbalists, and they will be able to prescribe you something very, very specific. Another thing that you might want to consider is just general health tonics, and I think you've got one there.
Yeah, so this is one that we've put together which has a lot of the herbs that you were just talking about in there,
that's right.
in an apple cider vinegar based tonic.
Yeah.
It's an everyday little elixir that we call it. Tell us a little bit about that one.
So anything that's actually in a live culture. So the whole point of this product was actually getting herbs extracted directly into something like cider vinegar, which actually has prebiotic properties in and of itself. So it's really great for the digestive system. You've got all your herbs in there, like your garlic, turmeric, various other. What else got in there?
I'll have to read the label. What did I do?
Read it because it's.
So it's got lemon, raw honey, garlic, chamomile, ginger, turmeric, yarrow, dandelion, marshmallow, echinacea. It's got all the good immunity boosting herbs.
It does. So a lot of people just want to have some kind of prevention. A tonic like this is really, really useful because you can have like 10 mils in the morning just in a glass of water. It's it's immune boosting. It's got the herbs in there for direct nourishment. Plus, it's got your prebiotic effect. And plus, of course, the cider vinegar itself has got wonderful properties, and the honey, raw honey.
Okay, thanks for joining us for this episode. Look forward to having you on the next one, and don't forget to send any questions in via the link below. Go online and fill out the form for a consultation, as Cath mentioned, and we'll see you next time.
See you later.